Hi. So in this video I will talk about the detailed sections of conversion rate optimization. So those people who are to learn more about the segment sections and their details, this series will be for them. So there are like 8 segments in the CRO. General website has like 46 points that needs to be ensured. The home page has 20 points that needs to be ensured, vetted. The landing page has 72 points, dedicated landing page, 72 points checklist that needs to be made sure before launching any kind of campaign out there. The category pages has 30 points needs to be checked. Product pages have 70 points that needs to be ensured for the perfectionism. Add to cart have 24 points. Checkout page should have 36 points ensured before you launch a campaign. Thank you page has the 8 points. So this is a collectively 308 points checklist that needs to be ensured and vetted before you launch a pro marketing campaign, and then you can expect some kind of good results, no matter if you're a small business or a big giant, whatever it is. So these points are very, very important. In the upcoming video I will talk about more into details and give a little glimpse. And if anyone need out any of these checklists, they can just write the DM in the comment and I will be messaging them the checklist.